Alright guys, this is my last night in the 2020 WRX Series.White, and I figured I'd take you for a night drive. Pretty awesome car. I have really enjoyed driving this thing this week. It's a fun driver's car, really enjoyable for the price point, and just a nice all-rounder. The manual transmission is definitely one of Subaru's better efforts. It's a little bit lighter than the BRZ. I'm just glad that this WRX still makes all the right noises. It feels like it has for honestly the last 10-15 years. And this FA20, even though it's a newer engine, it does still retain some of the character of the older Boxer EJs. Little pops from the exhaust there between gears. It's a very fluid car to drive. You can get into a rhythm with this thing. You can drive it smoothly. It rewards good shifting and good manual transmission action. You can heel toe, you can rev match. It has a satisfying amount of power. Oh boy, it'll be fun in the winter. Main complaint, there's quite a bit of road noise. But the grip and the performance makes up for it. We're even squealing tires there and hitting 60 miles an hour. Just awesome. It's direct, it's responsive. There isn't really anything else like this on the market. The Evo is gone, and this is kind of all that's left. This and the STI. Although it's expensive, this Series.White is a really well put together package. I mean, talk about ultimate enthusiast spec. It's got your bronze wheels, your big Brembo brakes, no sunroof, lowers that center of gravity nicely. Kinda hits all the marks. A couple people mentioned rev hang in this. I don't think it's an issue at all. The revs drop perfectly well for the amount of time it takes to shift. You could always probably get a tune and drop them even more, but I wouldn't bother. This is great as is. A car that you can learn to drive smoothly and drive well, and that's rewarding and that's satisfying. This is great. It's just a really well put together package. The power level is just so nice. It makes it fun. You know, I mean, you can definitely feel the cheap compact car roots here. There are some rattles. The dashboard material's pretty cheap. You know, you look around and it's not exactly luxurious. But that's okay because there's a great drivetrain and all of your inputs, all of your driver engagement points are just right. I just say, just go drive one of these. See what you think behind the wheel and make your decision from there. But I'm not sure what the next WRX will be like. But if they get rid of the manual, then it won't be anything as fun or good to drive as this. No matter how fast it is. Cool. All right, guys. Say goodbye to the WRX. Next week, we've got some more fun, exciting stuff coming your way. But until then, this has really been, it's been a pleasure. It's been great. So not sure the next time I'll get to drive one of these things. So I wanted to take you guys out in one last go at night so you can see the headlights and get a feel for this thing. Cool. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later.